in a neighborhood that is both trendy and downtrodden, where grand old mansions stand adjacent to contemporary architecture. The skyline of Nashville looks on and poverty abounds. A high percentage of the children attending school in the Edge Hill area depend on the school's free lunch program to provide their daily nutrition. It's a tiny congregation in a big old facility, yet Tulip Street has a heart for the people of the city. The building is truly a community center and is home to many programs. Project Transformation, a reading, enrichment, and day camp program for low-income children led by college interns from all over the U.S. The project provides 2 meals daily and periodic family gatherings. Project Transformation is making a difference in our community by increasing literacy and building relationships between children, their families, volunteers, and interns. 89% of the participants improved their reading level, while 41% increased the whole grade level. Miriam's Promise Adoption Agency is also housed at Tulip Street. Miriam's Promise ensures the well-being of children before, during, and after birth by providing pregnancy, parenting, and adoption services. Some of the community outreach includes Warner Elementary's backpack program and being available to support our neighborhood public schools.
Realizing that it takes a community to help students become successful citizens, Tulip Street helps our students in several ways. The church is a blessing to our community and school. Lori Bean Fleming, Principal, Warner Enhanced Options School.
Tulip Street also established and supports a community garden. It started with a tiny seed, a church, and a community working together to grow food for the neighborhood. The Street Theater Company.
Tulip Street is an East Nashville gem and an amazing community partner that has made a huge difference in our organization's growth and development. Kathy Sanborn Street, Artistic Director, Street Theater.
East Nashville Homeschool Association. Act One Arts Cooperative Theater. East Nashville Scottish Country Dancers are a few other groups that call Tulip Street home. They even do an annual pet blessing that includes a local canine officer.
When I think of Tulip Street, I remember the night of the tornado, 1998. The entire side of the old church stood open to the elements. The century-old wall of stained glass windows lay in ruins on the sidewalk. Many of our homes were damaged, and the power was out. About 9 that evening, the organist climbed through the rubble and played Amazing Grace. The bells reminded us that a force greater than the tornado had us securely in his hands. We could focus on our blessings and the day to come. An eyewitness account, The Tennessean, 1998. The bells need to be restored so they can continue to call to our neighbors, inspire and comfort the community, and announce that we're here to serve this community and our city. Austin Tudor Reagan, President, Board of Trustees.
Join today to keep the historic bells ringing for another 100 years.